where we come in with iCAN. 4 years of blood, sweat, and tears, research and development, market research, and intellectual property rights is we will be the first to market a 100% aluminum can that is recyclable, has a resealable opening, with no removable parts. We're not looking to build a manufacturing plant. We are going to integrate our technology into the current can manufacturing process and license that technology to the can manufacturers. I want to thank you for your time and ask you to join us on our journey, because we can with iCAN.